Get in, get out, get your life kitchen. Krispy Kreme Doughnuts shall make an appearance. The Crumb Snatchers gave me a challenge to create a dessert for them that they seldom have the opportunity to enjoy. Who doesn't like Krispy Kreme Doughnuts? I don't, but I don't count. I'm just the cook. This easy dessert can be served to family and friends on a special occasion, guests arriving in 15 minutes, a quick after-dinner dessert, a delicious brunch sweet treat. This Krispy Kreme donut delicacy can be prepared in less than 30 minutes. Let me show you how to prepare it. The tools that are needed are an apron to protect your clothes, an apple corer if you can find it, a platter or pan, a chef's knife, a paring knife. The first thing to do is to preheat the oven to 325 degrees on the regular setting, convection setting, or baked apple setting. The ingredients this dessert requires are 6 Krispy Kreme doughnuts, 3 baked apples, a half cup of water, pecans or other favorite nuts, raisins, whipped cream, and sprinkles, children's delight. Clean the apples with a fruit and veggie brush if you're going to keep the skin on. Then core or cut into slices. Place on your baking dish or platter. Sprinkle raisins on top. Sprinkle on those nuts. Then pour half cup of water over the apples. Bake anywhere from 12 to 15 minutes in your preheated oven. It all depends on your oven. Warm the donuts for 1 minute. Assemble the dessert. Place the baked apples, raisins, nuts on top of the warm donuts. Add your whipped cream as much as you like. Then sprinkle on top those sprinkles. And the last step requires you to enjoy your get in, get out, get your life dessert. If you're serving it with a meal, this goes well with fried chicken or salmon croquettes. Why don't you check out those recipes on this channel? The links are in the description box. There you have it, Krispy Kreme Delicious Apple Donut Surprise. Consume it early so that the calories can be walked off. See you next dish.